Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore one of the most beautiful and traditional moments in rural life, grape harvesting. We will take you to a vineyard full of color and fragrance, where we will learn about the harvesting process, grape varieties, and the importance of this moment in wine production. Stay with us to discover the secrets of a successful harvest and to enjoy beautiful landscapes and fascinating stories. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we post something new. Enjoy! The grape, this jewel of nature, is harvested with great care by high-performance machines developed specifically to support the wine industry. These modern machines ensure efficient and high-quality harvesting, contributing to the production of exceptional wines appreciated worldwide. However, the role of the grape does not end here. The versatility of this wonderful fruit makes it indispensable in other areas as well, offering us a multitude of delicious and healthy uses. Besides its predominant use in viticulture, the grape is highly valued as a fresh fruit, enjoyed by millions for its sweet and refreshing taste. Eating fresh grapes brings numerous health benefits. Due to their rich content of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, this small but mighty fruit helps strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, and maintain cardiovascular health. Moreover, grapes are key ingredients in making various compotes and natural juices, which preserve the aroma and nutrients of the fruit in a concentrated and easy-to-consume form. Grape compotes are a traditional delicacy, appreciated for their sweet and invigorating taste, perfect for accompanying desserts or being enjoyed on their own. Grape juices, whether natural or processed, are a healthy alternative to carbonated drinks and represent an excellent way to hydrate and recharge your body with energy. These grapes are harvested regardless of weather conditions. Thanks to advanced machinery, these sophisticated machines are designed to operate efficiently in various weather scenarios, ensuring that the harvest process continues uninterrupted, whether it's under the blazing sun, in the midst of rain, or even during cooler periods. This capability is crucial for maintaining the quality and consistency of the grapes, as timely harvesting is essential to preserving their flavor, sugar content, and overall health. conclusion, the use of advanced machinery in grape harvesting ensures that the process is efficient, consistent, and adaptable to various weather conditions. This not only supports the production of high-quality wine, but also demonstrates the remarkable advancements in agricultural technology that help sustain and enhance the wine industry. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.